Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you use an admin account so you can edit SEO settings. Once logged in, check that an SEO plugin like Yoast or Rank Math is active. That's how Google reads meta descriptions. Open the specific page or post you plan to update and paste a concise 50 to 160 character draft. Do this now so you can immediately edit the meta field. Having the draft saves time and prevents accidental blank snippets. You'll now edit the meta description in the SEO plugin area under the post editor. If you use the block editor, click the plugin's sidebar tab. Type a unique, keyword-focused description between 50 and 160 characters so Google displays it in results. Make sure to explain the page benefit and include a call to action if appropriate that drives clicks. Once you finish, check the plugin's preview to confirm length and readability. Then save or update the page so the change is stored on your site. After you update the meta description, publish or update the page, and then clear caches, both WordPress cache plugins and any CDN caches, so visitors and Google see the new content. Next, open Google Search Console and use URL inspection to request indexing. That speeds up when Google considers the change. Once requested, give Google a few days to a couple of weeks to reflect the new snippet. If the description doesn't appear, tweak wording, re-request indexing, and confirm there are no duplicate meta tags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.